black, love, and confidence too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, so I'm jumping right into this video. I'm going to be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner. This conditioner is for natural, chemically treated, or heat styled hair. So with their cleansing conditioner, all I'm doing is just putting the product throughout my hair from roots to ends, and then I just start to massage my hair, my scalp, just making sure that I cleanse it very well. After I apply the product throughout my hair, I actually use my fingers to make sure that I have no tangles in my hair, so I do use my fingers a lot, and I love the way that this product literally slips through my hair. It actually makes detangling a little more easier than normal. So I'm just rubbing the product through my hair, cleansing it very well, and then I will be taking my comb, my detangling comb, after I finger detangle my hair, just to make sure that I have no leftover tangles. This actually gets the job done. I love this comb, by the way, y'all. But anyway, so I'm just combing my hair, and as you see, the product is really slippery, so it's really getting through my hair, making detangling a whole lot easy. So after I detangled and everything, I left it on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse it out with cool water, and this is how my hair is looking. So now I am reaching in the Uncle Funky's Daughter Travel Kit, and I'm using their Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. Now I've used this conditioner before, and I don't know, but I remember telling y'all that it smelled really good. So that part is a plus for me. I love this leave-in conditioner. It's very lightweight as well. It doesn't weigh your hair down. So I'm just spraying and spraying and spraying until my hair is evenly coated, and then we're gonna next use the Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. I love this cream because it actually provides a great amount of moisture. So I'm just applying this on my hair before I apply the Curly Magic, just to give me a more boost of moisture. You can also use this cream for corkscrew curls, 2-strand twists, twist outs, and wash and goes, and any other desired look that you're trying to go for. Just, something that's going to create curls. So yeah, it definitely creates bomb curls on its own, which I love. So I'm just applying this through my hair, and I'm also detangling as I go, just to also ensure that my hair is properly detangled and it's evenly coated. So now what I'm doing is just parting my hair, making it into 2 parts, just to get my hair ready for the style that I'm going to be achieving. So I will be doing an easy back to school hairstyle. So I just parted that there, and I'm going to be parting this right here. So now after I part that, I will be using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, which is infused with aloe vera, marshmallow, and nettle. So I just apply that on my edges as well, and I just leave a little piece out. After I do all that, I just start proceeding with cornrow in my hair. I will be doing a total of 2 on this side, and then also 2 on the other side. So now after I apply that, I'm using my detangling brush, and then I will actually start applying the curl stimulator on my hair. So I will be achieving a wash and go doing the raking method. So that's all I'm doing, is just raking the product throughout my hair. Y'all, I'm so in love with their curl stimulator. So as you see, the curls are definitely popping, and I love the fact that it has my hair shiny as well. Like, this product makes my curls look so hydrated and moisturized. So yeah, this product is definitely my go-to as well. So after I applied it on my hair, this is how my hair is looking. I did use my blow dryer to actually help diffuse it and stretch it out and actually dry it. So this is how it looks with it dry. So now all I'm doing is just taking my bobby pin and securing my hair to the side. And I did take out some pieces in the front just to give a little cute look. So now what I'm going to do is use my pick, and I will be doing like a little hump right here. So I'm just taking my hair, smoothing it back, making sure that it looks nice. I will be using my bobby pin to actually help secure this as well. after I do that, I will be taking my hair rings and just applying it on my braids, and then I connected them. I use my bobby pin to also help secure it. And then I'm just going to be applying that on all of my braids. And then after I did that, I am taking my hair pick to give my hair more volume and to also shape it as well. So now that I'm done with my hair, this is the finished results. This is an easy back to school hairstyle using Uncle Funky's daughter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also check out my description box for more information. Love y'all. Bye.